Hi, welcome to Avanti Polar Lipids. I'm Dr. Stephen Burgess, Managing Director of Avanti Polar Lipids and Head of Lipid Technology for Croda Healthcare. Avanti is located in Alabaster, Alabama, just south of Birmingham, and we currently have about 260 employees across the various unit operations. Avanti was founded in 1967 by Walter and Rowena Shaw and was primarily a supplier of high-purity lipid reagents for biomedical research. In addition to our lipid reagents, our products and services have expanded over the years to include ultra-high purity, stable isotope labeled mass spec standards for lipidomics research, formulation development and supply for lipid-based drug delivery systems, lipid-based adjuvant systems, and analytical services. In 1990, we started manufacturing APIs for the pharmaceutical industry, and the first product that we manufactured was a lipid product for a product called ExoSurf. It was a Burroughs Wellcome product, and that product was a artificial lung surfactant for neonates. So we now offer a broad range of GMP lipid products, as well as contract manufacturing of proprietary lipid products, including those components for manufacturing lipid nanoparticles that are used for COVID vaccine commercial production as well as development.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dale Smith. I am the Executive Director of GMP Operations here at Avanti. I've been with Avanti about 20 years, and I generally head up GMP manufacturing here at the site. A couple interesting advancements that we've been doing here over the last couple months the last year is the addition of two new GMP manufacturing buildings, which is about 19,000 square feet of GMP manufacturing space. Also, to support the raw materials and the solvents that we use here at the site, we've added a 5,400 square foot climate-controlled warehouse to support raw materials and everything that we need to do to support GMP manufacturing from a logistics standpoint. The good news is that these facilities are coming online here in Q4 2021, and we're hoping to initiate full-scale production at these sites in Q1 2022. It's advantageous that these facilities are coming online because we have a large portfolio of developmental, clinical, and commercial production that we can start adding back into the mix, also with the Pfizer products that we're doing. Right now, our teams in process development and analytical have over 5 preclinical programs of various lipids that which we have multiple clients for that are going to be initiated. These facilities also will allow us to have 7+ clinical programs that have been temporarily on hold due to our COVID commitments that we'll be bringing back online. And also there's a series of commercial products which we have slowed down due to COVID that will again come back online, about 5+ programs to support other clinical and commercial initiatives here at the site. With all this transition, we have really improved our capacity, but we're also doing some SHE initiatives on the site. Over the last couple of months here, we've moved dramatically in response to SHE and developing a culture associated with that. Some of these items are formation of a safety committee, where now operators are giving suggestions, insights, and we're solving safety issues as they arrive. And also a counterpart to that is a process development committee for technical resolutions of both safety and process concerns. We now have leadership on both of these committees at the site, and it's all making a safer and more efficient workplace.
Hi, my name is Shengrong Li. I'm the Executive Director of Research Operation at Avanti. So for later of this year and early next year, in the process part, we are anticipating we will doing a lot more of the scale up of the adjuvants, like lipid A type of molecules. We have several projects in the pipelines. And for the lipidomic part, we will have the bioacid mass spec standards and new phingolipids standards for the neuron lipidomic studies coming up. And for the formulation part, we are pushing out the new polymers and new ionizable lipids for the gene deliveries. And we're also looking for adding the GMP space for the GMP formulations.
Hi, I'm James LeDwyer. I'm responsible for administrative operations at Avanti here in Alabaster, Alabama. Today, I would like to speak to you on our sustainability goals. As we all know, the exec rolled out the objective for people, land, and climate positive. Today, I'd like to speak to you on the people and climate positive initiatives here in Alabaster, Alabama. Part of People Positive is the HERO, which is that we'll be successful in developing and commercializing 25% of the WHO listed vaccines. As we all know and are very proud, Avanti has a partnership with Pfizer and BioNTech on the COVID-19 vaccine, where we supply some of our specialty lipids. Avanti is more than just the relationship with Pfizer and BioNTech, and we do have other customers, clients that are working on vaccines that have to deal with HIV, flu, and oncology, again, using our lipids. So with our tagline, more than lipids, we do produce and design new chemistries, adjuvant chemistries, where we trigger for higher immune responses, again, in vaccines, all supportive of vaccines. So that's some of the commentary on the people positive. With our fast growth at the site in Alabaster, Alabama, we are recognizing that we need to do more with the climate positive. So as part of the climate positive, this is something new to us. So we started a strategic impact assessment with the help of Julia Cruz from Europe. And it's really a focus on, with this growth in the number of employees and buildings, how do we decarbonize at the site, use renewable energy, put in place solar panels, electric vehicle chargers, and such.
In terms of good connections for Avanti, we look to set up collaborations within the Croda family for developing new products. Avanti is primarily a development site. We do have kilo lab capacity, and we can manufacture for clinical trials as well as for small commercial applications, but we're really a development site. So we look to develop those collaborations with other Croda sites, and we're currently working with Croda Denmark on development, research, and technology for new lipid adjuvant systems for vaccines. We're also establishing some collaborations with our folks at Sederma. And we're also looking at collaborations within the crop care area.